Before I tell you this, I went through owner forums, workshop comments, and dealership experiences to bring you what's really happening with the Nissan Frontier. The idea is for you to know what to expect and how to fix it without panicking, because many of these issues have solutions and can be prevented. One of the most common topics is metallic noises or knocking in the engine when starting cold, especially in high-mileage engines. Owners report things like, "In the morning it sounds like something is hitting inside," or "there's a slight rattle that goes away once it warms up." This sound is usually related to oil pressure and wear on internal components. Some mechanics recommend using high-quality oil and following the proper change intervals, because a well-lubricated engine keeps these noises under control. One mechanic even told me, "It's not broken, it just needs the oil to do its job." While some owners focus on engine noises, others start noticing issues with the automatic transmission, especially in mid-2010s models. Comments like, "The transmission jumps unexpectedly," or "shifts are very rough," appear frequently in forums. This is normally related to wear or miscalibration of solenoids and internal sensors. In many cases, dealerships perform inspections, fluid changes, or software reprogramming to get the transmission shifting smoothly again. As one technician summarized, sometimes the transmission isn't broken, it's just confused, and an adjustment fixes it. Driving can also reveal problems with power steering, especially when maneuvering at low speeds or parking. Some owners say there's a squeak when turning the wheel. This is generally related to the pump or hydraulic steering components, and while there isn't always a recall, inspection and preventive maintenance solve most cases. A mechanic put it simply, "These pickups work hard and the steering feels it first." Over time, the suspension and brakes are another area that receives attention. Owners comment things like, "The rotors vibrate with minimal use," or "Every bump feels like a strong hit." This is usually normal wear on pads, rotors, shocks, and bushings, especially if the Frontier is used for work or carries constant loads. The solution is simple. Inspect components, replace what's worn, and keep alignment and balancing up to date. This keeps the vehicle comfortable and safe. Finally, many owners report electrical glitches and sensors turning on by themselves, such as the check engine light appearing and disappearing, or the backup camera sometimes not working. This can be anything from a loose connector to a sensitive electronic module. Most of these problems are solved by cleaning connections, checking sensors, or performing software updates at the dealership. As one technician told me, "Today's vehicles rely so much on electronics that a simple loose connector can drive anyone crazy."